experience Persebaya?
Yeah, I think that if you play Persebaya, especially at this moment, they have good results. 11 games they were not defeated, and I think the last 4 games they also win. So it will be for a tough game for us, but at least we know where we are. I think we played better than we did in the beginning. It took more time than the last 3 years. But I think slowly we get again to play in our identity. So the way we want to play, and of course you can have the goalkeeper can have a ball and kick the ball, and then you attack, or you try to play football. Only that sometimes takes more time. At this moment I think we are better, and I will see tomorrow will be a good mirror for us.
Oke, dia rasa Persebaya sekarang ada hasil bagus ya. Liga juga nggak kalah, 11 pertandingan tidak kalah, terus 4 pertandingan terakhir juga mereka menang. Besok akan jadi pertandingan yang sulit, mungkin lebih sulit daripada yang di awal musim. Tapi pelan-pelan Dewa United juga balik ke identitas. Bisa aja kita pilih kasih ke kiper terus tendang ke depan, atau kita mau coba main. Itu adalah pilihan. Jadi kita akan coba bermain seperti biasa, dan besok akan jadi cerminan sejauh mana Dewa United itu di musim ini.
Bueno, creo que va a ser un gran partido, un partido difícil para ambos equipos. Nosotros venimos a imponer nuestra idea de juego. Sabemos que nos vamos a enfrentar a un gran rival, pero estamos acá para poder jugar de nuestra manera, con nuestras herramientas, así que esperemos que podamos llevarnos los 3 puntos para Surabaya, para Jakarta.
Oke, akan jadi pertandingan yang bagus. Dua tim akan punya pertandingan yang sulit, tapi kita akan datang ke sini dengan bawa ide main kita. Kita tahu kita lawan tim yang besar. Kita ada di sini untuk kasih lihat cara main kita, hasil latihan juga kita akan kasih lihat, dan harapannya bisa bawa 3 poin dari Surabaya. Maksudnya tadi Jakarta, Surabaya maksudnya.
Well, we have also a new player. Better ask me about our players. I'm not a scout of Persebaya.
Kita juga ada pemain baru yang datang. Mungkin lebih baik tanya soal pemain baru kita. Jadi pelatih ini bukan scoutingnya Persebaya gitu. Okay, coach, in the last 2 press conference against Bayangkara and against Arema, you said the field will affect the way of play of Dewa United. Now you play in Surabaya with good field. It will affect the way Dewa United play?
Yeah, but it's a combination about everything. I think it's a nice stadium. I hope there will be a lot of spectators. It's a good pitch, so there are not any excuse, I think, to make it for us a very nice game. And I agree with you. Sometimes it was, even in our home stadium, the last game was difficult. I think the pitch was not that good, but I think tomorrow we have no excuse. So it's a good remark, and thank you for reminding, because I agree what you said.
Oke, ya, sebenarnya itu kombinasi dari semuanya. Kita juga butuh stadion yang bagus, lapangan yang bagus, dan kita tahu di pertandingan terakhir kita yang di stadion kita lapangannya kurang bagus, gitu kan. Jadi kita kesulitan. Jadi setuju dengan apa pendapat Anda juga. Ya, harapannya besok bisa mengeluarkan apa yang bisa dimainkan.
Okay. No, but that's at the end, and I come from a club like Ajax Amsterdam. I worked 11 years, and if you talk about identity, that club is known for the way of playing, creativity, playing together, offensive football, but especially with the ball and playing together. How do you teach your players? And I've been 11 years in that club, so you get always also influenced by your background. And I know the coach. I know also the way he played with PSN. They had a different system, but the idea is the same. So it's different philosophy, but he showed that he can have success with the way of playing, and I think that the opponents have to get away the strength of the team, and it's clear what the strength is, and if you eliminate that, then already half of the work is done. Only then you have to create yourself, and I think we have very good players to do that. I think I trust my team also for the game tomorrow, but it's two different ways of playing, and that's the club has to choose where you go, and they have results, so I think they do a good job.
Oke, pada akhirnya saya datang dari klub Ajax Amsterdam. Terus kalau kita bicara soal ide, kreativitas, cara main bola, udah jelas di sana ya. Terus bagaimana cara bermain juga kan dia 11 tahun di sana. Jadi backgroundnya dia mempengaruhi bagaimana dia sekarang, dan dia tahu siapa coach Bernardo Tavares, dia pernah di PSM. Idenya sama tapi sistemnya berbeda, dan dia udah membuktikan dengan keberhasilan yang dia punya. Saya rasa klub itu harus memilih antara dua ide yang berbeda. Terus kita tahu kelebihannya apa dan kita harus bisa mengeliminasi. Setelah itu ya kita harus juga bisa menciptakan peluang untuk diri kita sendiri. Ini ada dua cara main sepak bola yang berbeda, dan besoklah kita.
Cukup, thank you coach. Thank you.
Oh, the journalist getting also better.
Foto-foto.
Yeah, but you have very good questions. Thank you.
Picture coach.